Hey guys, in honor of National Cosmo Day, I'll be making my very first Cosmo ever for myself and my fiance. So bear with me on this one. I think it's gonna be fun. And it's quick and easy. So I got myself a tall pitcher and about 16 ounces of Grey Goose. Fabulous. Then grab myself a little bit of Cointreau, 1 cup. Cranberry cocktail, 1 cup. And a ½ cup of lime juice, freshly squeezed. Yummy. And then what you're gonna do is get yourself a cute little martini or cocktail glass. I chose to get a metal one because I am so clumsy. I don't have a shaker, but this is iced. Pour it in there. This is for 1 serving. Shake well, look cute. Or it was pretty in pink, like my sweatshirt. And sip. Here's to National Cosmo Day. Drink responsibly.